I'm Srishti, and nice meeting you, ma'am. My questions are: we heard that S. Patil College of Commerce Business Studies is starting with new facility called incubation. What are your views about this?
Yeah, I'm happy to share that A.S. Patil College of Commerce, School of Business Studies is starting the incubation center over here. Here, the students where we have been enriched the syllabus in such a way that the student of MBA, that is the second semester and third semester, student will be having the ED center over here where they will be having the step-by-step procedures. Like they will be having the research, proposals writing, legal accept, what are the threats they will be going to come, everything we are doing accordingly. And once they are having, after overcoming of this all stage, if they are having any proposals, incubation center will be helping them to write the complete business proposal, and where we are giving the kickstarts or startup for our own students. So here we are giving some seed money also if the project is good. Other than that, we are our student will be eligible to participate in ideathon or hackathon, which will be organized by the government of Karnataka or Ministry of India. So where they will can exhibit their knowledge, where in Make in India, Startup India, where they can make their knowledge over there. So that will be one kind of helpful. For MBA students, we have been done the curriculum of 160 hours, where they will be having first hour will be like 80 hours they will be studying in second semester, and 80 hours will be studying in the third semester. By the they come for the fourth semester, if they are having any plan, we are the as a facilitators, we will be facilitating them and we will be supporting them for MBA students. For BBA students, as they come just from the college background, that is for just after PUC, where we are planning for the third semester and fourth semester. So that is for 100 hours. So if as like in my earlier talk, I was telling that we are having a lot of family business over here. So if anyone is interested to do that also, we will be helping them how to write the proposals, how to diversify their market, how to expand the market. We will be giving an idea, and fifth and sixth semester they can do that particular project, and this will be one of the best part of our business studies, where the students of UG and PG will be involving in the incubation centers. And if the projects are really good, we may are really good, then the IPR support also we are giving.
Thank you, ma'am. Like we as a student have a basic idea about what an college environment gives us. So we have one question. We wanted to ask that if students comes in any college and he wants to completely develop through the environment, what are your ideas for to help them?
Yeah. This is something like people coming from outside and we are welcoming them. So our country logo, its logo theme itself says that Atiti Devo Bhava. So this is our family, and the person who all want to come over here, and we will be making an environmental friendly atmosphere. So here we are having some facilities where we will be giving as the students here Bijapur or the A.S. Patil College of Commerce School of Business Studies is not restricted to only some people. It is from the people coming from the rural background, people coming from the business background, people coming from the working women, self non-working parents, every people, farmers, every people can come and take the admission who are here, and we will give them a complete confidence and communications as well as commitment towards their work. We are going to develop such type of atmosphere over here.
Thank you, ma'am. It is also worth noting that this part of massive which the BLD Association AS Patil has built, like it has many branches that which taught the students in many aspects like engineering, medical, and law. How does your institution stand by with norms for making a candidate suitable for MBA?
Yeah. See, MBA is a one degree which any degree people can take. Okay, we have not restricted. See, right now, the person who has done the MBBS also or MD also, they are also going for MBA hospital management. MBA from the farmer background. I mean, the people are from the farmer background, and if they are coming, we can give you the exposure for like called as what is a agri business. So here, MBA is not restricted to only medical these things. No, anybody can take this admissions, where they will be having the managerial skills, leadership skills, and they can have the complete team building kind of thing. So here it is not restricted that they should take. No, even the person can, MBBS also can take, the person who has done the pharmacy also can take the admission, the person who has done the engineering also can take the admission, and BSc, BCom, BA is always, it is already they are taking the things. And right now in the pharma field also, many time the people are asking that MBA is required. See, MBA is such degree, to certain extent if you go, nobody will be asking you. Once you go for an higher position and all, once you are going for a dealing the promotion and all, that time MBA become the mandatory. So I feel it is should not be restricted to only for BA, BSc, BCom, BBA student. It should be open for everyone, even though they come from the MBBS, they come for pharmacy or any other field also. It is good things.
Thank you, ma'am. That is an incredible relief for any family for sending their children for any master's degree. But studying in tier 2, tier 3 cities like Vijaypura, how does a candidate from your institution can comparably beat students from metro city?
I'll be saying that still I with strong and happy things I want to say, the people from the underdeveloped or developing district only are performing good jobs or good career in the industry. The person who is already there in the tier 1 city or any metro city, their performance is something different, and they compare to them, our people are only, because thing is what the hardworking nature our people are having, many metro cities people are not having. So I feel this should be there. You should not feel it is a tier 2 city or tier 3 city. Whatever it is, the same education, right to the education itself is a one policy. The education is same for everyone. Even though government has done this, government of India as the government of Karnataka has done that, all the colleges should go with an AICT as well as the university affiliation. That itself is a strong kind of thing where we are going to tell this is, we are better, or we are the best, or we will be doing the better forever compared to other people.
Thank you, ma'am. Those were encouraging words for any candidate who are looking forward to pursue master's degree. Now I want to ask you about like that is a situation where values are proven. Like postgraduate is the ultimate goal, we can say, for who are pursuing master's degree. What if a person is coming for your institution looking for placements? What are your views, and how can your institute and faculty look forward to support them?
Yeah, we are having the good placement record, but still, like as a director, I have joined. First thing I have taken this thing is to introduce MBA with PGPM. That itself is, as I said, college to the corporate. I mean, it's a gateway to the corporate world. Second thing is, as in the second semester, we will be having the pre-placement activity. First, what we required communication. We have already covered in the first semester. Second is, we required a confidence building, that we will be doing in the second semester, which will be having the pre-placement activity, which we are being enclosed. We will be doing it, which will be covering the soft skills, which include the interview giving skills or resume building skills, as well as aptitude and requirement of the things. So along with that, we are having we are planning to have good MOUs with some of the industries where our students can get a direct internship over there. Once the internship as they will complete, they will be having the good placement in the same organization or wherever they wish.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, moving into rest 2026 and 27 academic year, what is your vision for the candidates who are looking forward to pursue it?
Yeah, MBA is like my vision for this thing is our BLD association, that is AFS Patil College of Commerce and School of Business Studies, is giving you opportunity for your higher education. As I already said you that for certain period of time you don't require the any degree. Whatever the degree you do, people will hire. But once you go for a higher level of the job, they ask for your what do you say, post graduation. First thing. Second thing is, so do the post graduation over here. My vision of this one is, whoever is having that opportunity or who can do their higher education, See, previously there was the person who can become SDA or FDA, it was a 10th standard, then second standard, now graduation. Days are not far to call the post graduation as a nominal kind of education skills. So I prefer that there should be done such things. My vision for doing this one is this education benefit is there. I mean, this MBA, we have started with a MBA with PGPM, that is Industry Integrated Program over here, which will be helpful for our Bijapur region or the person who is coming from the rural background. So that should be encashed it properly. Encashed it properly. Once they come here, then only they'll come to know what all the different kind of changes are there, what exactly the requirement and what they need to do it. They will be doing accordingly.
Thank you, ma'am. With all the facilities you briefed about, that your institution is stand out for its norms and regulation, and the faculties, the best faculties you have. Without any faculties, no institution can be built, and no student's future can be built. And with that, there is also a question that most families come up with, that pursuing any master's degree with additional certification is highly costable. That can easily cost up to 12 to 6 lakhs rupees in
Yeah.
India currently. How is BLD taking it as a challenge, and how can it make the term affordable for the people?
Yeah, what you have asked, Shrishti, it is exactly the same question. Many people think that MBA with any other skills like PGPM or any skill development things means it is a costliest. No, it is not like that. We should be very much grateful to our General Secretary sir, that is Sunil Gowda sir, as well as our President sir, MB Patil sir, who said to make the utilization of this course maximum for our people. And fee structure, if you just ask that was, it was like very shocking. It is like 2.4, that is 60,000 per semester if you have written the PGCT. If you have not written the PGCT, nothing to worry. You can directly come and approach, where we are having the fee structure of 2 lakhs 60,000, which will be coming around 65,000 per semester. So which is very affordable, and we will be giving an, I mean, we will be having the some of the other benefits also, like we will be having the assessment of scholarship we will be giving, and assessment of the bank loan also we are going to give, which will be benefited for our people, our region, and our state and our country. So keeping in that mind, they have kept very nominal fees, that is like 2.4 for PGCT, 2.6 for non-PGCT. So here it is very nominal fees what it is there, and the benefits along with that, like if you just do this course in any other colleges, like if you just take the same benefits are already available in the metro cities. They are exactly the charging around 10 to 12 lakhs per year. So it is too much, and this type of facilities should be incorporated by our student, by our people, and make the our region, I mean our district as must educated, or more people have higher education people has there. So they should consider like that, and they should take the maximum benefits of this one.
As you brief now, can you walk us through the physical infrastructure that your college is giving with the such affordable cost of
Yeah.
loan?
As Shrishti, you said that we have already discussed about the fee structure, and people may think by this fee structure we will be not having maximum infrastructure, or we may not give the good facilities for our student. It is not like that. The facilities what the people are getting from the other or metro cities, we are having the same facilities. Like we are having the good library knowledge area, that is called as library. We are having the Wi-Fi connection with the computer labs, which will be upgraded as and when it is required. And we are having, other than that, we are having the we start our day with the morning prayers and all, which is as I already said, we are having the value based education also. So from prayer to all the things we are having, we are already having the experienced staff. Plus, other than that, we have kept some of the what do you say, health and wellness also we have kept as major area. So we are having the yoga sessions also over here. Along with that, we are having the gym facilities, swimming pool, everything we are having over here. So maximally, and coming to the classroom, where your classroom has been equipped by the smart class board with Wi-Fi connection. Plus, our MBA classrooms have been AC air conditioned classrooms are there, because as Bijapur districts is feeling that a lot of things, so we are already having the air conditioned classrooms for the students. So what all the benefit, what was the person who is paying 10 to 12 lakhs of the fees, we are giving the same facilities over here with 2.4 fee structure. So I feel this should be encashed properly by our region people, so that they will be having the better future.
Thank you, ma'am. That is an inspiring vision to wrap up for now. Between the strategy, MBA and PGPM, dual classification and expert faculty body and highly corporate and highly competitive fee structure, and invest in aggregated campus infrastructure, BLD is doing something remarkable, right? Thank you for joining us today.
Okay. One more thing I want to say, along with MBA, we are also having the research center, that is PhD in management also we are having, which has been affiliated to Rani Chennamma University. So a lot of our faculties are eligible to become a guide also. The person who want to study higher also, we are having that facilities. Okay. Thank you, Shushti.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for making time for us between your busy schedule and engaging me and my friends only. Thank you.
Okay.